magandang umaga. So today is Monday here in Turkey. So Monday is still my off day. So tomorrow is the start of my day. So tomorrow I will go to work until Thursday. So in 1 week I go to work for 3 days, and the rest of those days, those are my off days. So because today is Monday, so I'm just at home. So what I'm going to do is clean up the house. So maglilinis ako ng bahay, magpupunas ng mga shelves, and also I'm going to wash the used clothes and other stuff inside the house. So I need to do this. It's because tomorrow in the morning I will wake up at um 5:30, and then I will go to the bus station at 6 in the morning, and I need to travel for almost 2 hours going to my work, and then going back home for almost 3 hours every day. So nakakapagod, guys. I'm always tired. It's because of the travel. So there is traffic, and sometimes I couldn't catch up the bus. So that's why I'm always going to work so early in the morning. So ngayon, guys, is I will just do the housework, so and everything inside the house, because tomorrow if I arrive home, so I will just take a rest and then go to sleep, and then wake up again and go to work. So that's my life since I started go to work. So I will show you some things later, guys, after I finish my work inside the house. So right now, guys, is I'm going to clean up the shelves first. So magsisimula na akong magpunas ng mga cabinets, and then later I'm going to water the plants. I have here my cactuses with me. As you can see, I have different types of cactuses, and I have also here this one. But guys, this is not real. So my student gave me as a gift, and also I have here. They are really beautiful. So look at this. They are growing. So these cactuses, I bought them. I think it's almost 2 years with me. So I'm just watering every 2 days. So I water them every 2 days. So as you can see, they are growing. So the reason why that I'm cleaning up every 2 days, it's because the dust inside the house is a lot, so much. So kailangan kong magpunas every 2 days, because our house, the door is open, the windows are open. So kailangan ko talagang magpunas kasi yung alikabok is going inside our house. So napakakapal ng alikabok, guys. So that's why the reason lagi kong pinupunasan, kasi pag hindi, I have a lot of things to do. So later I'm going to show you how thick the dust is. So it's because today is my off day. This is my day where I can clean up the house. It's general cleaning day, and tomorrow I will start working. So this is my normal life here in Turkey. So for other guys, for other people who were asking me how did I come here in Turkey, later I will make a separate video for that. So I will show you. The dust is a lot, guys. As you can see, it's black and it's brown, even you are cleaning or doing this every day, but still the dust is a lot, so much. As you can see guys, malinis na yung shelf. So the shelf is already clean. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to vacuum the floors. By the way guys, I have an aquarium here but without fish. So they were already dead. So nung nagwo-work ako sa school, nasobrahan ko sila ng bigay ng pagkain. Kaya yun yung dahilan ng namatay sila. So if you have a fish at home, I advise you na huwag mo silang pakainin ng sobra kasi pag nasobrahan mo sila ng pagkain, mamamatay sila. So, according sa binilhan ko ng fish, kasi nagtanong ako bakit namatay yung isda na binili ko kasi nasobrahan ng pakain. So, ngayon guys is I'm going to put all the used clothes, blankets, and everything inside the machine. So, I have the last thing to do, which is ironing my clothes for tomorrow's work. So, that is the last thing to do. So, in washing guys, inuuna ko muna yung mga colored clothes. And then after I finished wash all the colored clothes, the next one is I'm going to wash the white ones. So hindi naman madami yung nilalabhan ko guys kasi every in 1 week, I mean, I'm washing clothes 3 times. So sometimes 2 times only pag marami. So ginagawa kong 3 times a week. So ngayon is isa-start ko na yung machine. So today guys, this is my last work for today. So I'm almost done. So right now I will just do ironing my clothes. Normally if I go to work, I'm just wearing t-shirts, jeans, and leggings. So I'm just ironing it. It's because sometimes it's crumpled. My clothes is crumpled. So I'm not comfortable going to work without ironing it. So this is the kind of lifestyle. So I am practicing like a bit comfortable every time I'm going out. So today guys, my day is so productive, and I hope that yours also. And also guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel and also for following me. So, malapit nang mag-winter dito. So, sometimes I can feel, especially after I finished my work in the afternoon, if I'm going home, I can feel it's getting colder. So, palapit na yung winter. Pag winter dito is sobrang napakalamig. So, sometimes it is snowing for how many days. Okay, so I'm almost done, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Hope next time if I will upload my videos, hope you will watch it and follow my YouTube channel. And thank you guys for watching. See you then.